After working 7 consecutive days, I got a day off. So I decided to take a long drive to the desert in search of a lake. Hello guys, welcome back. If you are new to the space, my name is Divya. I make videos on aviation, travel and Dubai life. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Dubai residents are familiar with many other lakes called the Al Qudra Lake, Love Lake and Swan Lake. But today I'm going to introduce you to a new lake called the Expo Lake. We can actually cruise this lake. It's quite shallow in some areas, but only thing you have to be very careful because it's very slippery. I'm literally crossing a lake. It's quite refreshing, you know, on a hot summer afternoon. Expo 2020 lake is a man-made lake. To get a better view, you need to have a drone. Unfortunately, I don't have one, but it's quite beautiful. The main attraction is quite shallow and you can cross through the lake, you know. It's beautiful. Must visit. The Expo 2020 lake is not officially open, but still there are visitors. There is no entry ticket, the parking is free and it's absolutely surreal. To have a four-wheel drive to come to this lake. A sedan will do because the road is pretty firm and the directions are quite easy. You might not get the exact location in Google Map, but it's quite easy. You have to come to Al Qudra last exit at Nok petrol pump. From that roundabout, take the exit towards Saif Al Salam. Come straight from the third roundabout, take the right. From there, it's off-road but quite firm roads with clear demarcations for Expo Lake. So it's pretty easy to come here. watching my videos, you will be already knowing that I love sunsets. See, this is a perfect spot to catch sunset. That was a beautiful sunset. I hope you all enjoyed the sunset with me. I definitely did. This lake is part of Al Marmoom Wildlife Conservative. So what you can spot is oryxes. On the way and by the lake, you can spot a lot of them. I really like the Expo Lake. If possible, all of you must visit. It's an ideal spot to watch sunset in Dubai. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing. And wishing all a very good evening. Stay safe. Goodbye.